Imagine a world where every 100 years a massive rogue planet, dark, cold, and ancient, drifts through our solar system, passing close enough to Earth to dominate the night sky. Its arrival is never subtle. The first sign is a strange trembling in the ground, followed by an unnatural tide that surges higher than any full moon could summon. Astronomers scramble as telescopes reveal the intruder, a vast icy world blotting out stars, trailing a web of cometary debris. For weeks, this celestial wanderer looms above, a bruised blue orb casting ghostly shadows and making the familiar constellations unrecognizable. Animals panic, magnetic compasses spin, and the northern lights dance far beyond their usual bounds. Humanity, awestruck and terrified, can only watch as the cosmic visitor's gravity tugs at Earth, subtly distorting oceans, crust, and atmosphere. Each close approach brings a century's worth of upheaval in a single season. The rogue planet's immense gravity stretches Earth's crust, triggering earthquakes in places long thought stable. Tides become monstrous, swallowing coastlines and redrawing maps. Storms churn with newfound fury as atmospheric tides clash and swirl. Satellites are thrown off course and communications falter. Even the moon's orbit wobbles, sparking fears it might one day be flung away or drawn into a collision. Humanity races to adapt, building seawalls and quake-proof structures, but the planet's passing is a reminder that our world is more fragile than we dreamed. In the aftermath, new mountain ranges rise, rivers change course, and ancient ruins are unearthed, their secrets revealed by shifting Earth, a devastating yet strangely creative force, shaping the planet anew with each encounter. After the first catastrophic visitation, humanity learns. Over generations, societies transform themselves in anticipation of the next encounter. Cities migrate inland or are rebuilt on floating platforms. Global calendars revolve around the approach, a century-long countdown that shapes everything from architecture to agriculture. Science flourishes as astronomers, geologists, and engineers collaborate to predict the rogue planet's path and mitigate its effects. New fields emerge: planetary defense, gravitational engineering, and predictive seismology. Art and culture are infused with the imagery of the cosmic visitor, a symbol of both terror and inspiration. Rituals, festivals, and even religions arise around the approach, blending science and myth. Children grow up learning evacuation drills alongside mathematics, and every generation leaves behind survival archives, knowledge caches designed to outlast disaster and guide the next cycle. The rhythm of the rogue planet shapes civilization itself. Political systems rise and fall based on their ability to protect citizens from the next approach. Some societies become nomadic, living lightly on the land and fleeing at the first sign of gravitational unrest. Others dig deep, building subterranean cities shielded from surface chaos. Technology evolves with a singular purpose: resilience. Energy grids are decentralized, food is grown in vertical farms protected from storms, and transportation networks are designed for rapid evacuation. The global economy is cyclical, with booms of construction and innovation in the decades before the approach, followed by periods of rebuilding and reflection. Culturally, people develop a unique sense of time, not just living year to year, but century to century, always balancing hope with vigilance. The rogue planet becomes both a cosmic adversary and a unifying force, reminding humanity of its place in a wild and unpredictable universe. Over millennia, the rogue planet's visits become a defining feature of Earth's story. Humanity, once at the mercy of the cosmos, becomes its student and steward. The centennial cycle fosters a global perspective. Nations collaborate to share knowledge, resources, and warnings. Space exploration accelerates, driven by the dream of one day intercepting or even colonizing the rogue planet itself. Myths and histories intertwine, with each approach leaving its mark in art, language, and memory. Some see the rogue planet as a harbinger of doom, others as a cosmic teacher, spurring progress and humility. In time, Earth's descendants may welcome the approach not with fear, but with awe and gratitude, a reminder that in a universe of wandering worlds, survival is an art, and every challenge is an invitation to evolve.